share with you guys that I just created my journal. So, well, I guess this type of Christmas tree is basura na. Disposable. Yeah. Hey guys, so this is gonna be a sit-down vlog with a week in my life. Like, I will be inserting video what happened with my week, including my work, and yeah, some stuff na mangyayari this week. But for now, let me share with you guys that I just created my journal. This is one of my list this 2026, but I already started writing in this journal before the end of the year. And yeah, I really enjoyed writing right now. Before, I feel like it's so corny at my age, but habang tumatanda ka, you will realize that it hits different. Alam mo yung achievement mo on that day, or what you feel, and what you want to do in the future, you can write it here. And the good thing here is that you can go back, like magbabasa ka, and I really love doing this right now. And actually plain lang siya, and I just put some stickers. Yeah, ganda, diba? And yeah, yun lang, I guess. And also, diba, I just moved out, but mag 1 year na. I just moved out at my parents' house no February 15. That's the exact date. But di ko alam ngayon, parang I am looking for a bigger space ng apartment. Kahit dalawa lang naman kami nakatira, but I'm still thinking about that kasi ang daming expense, lalo na ng December, and I will have my surgery. So, ang daming gastos. But, well, I guess, magpapalipas ulit kami ng another year para maglipat sa ibang apartment. We will just, stay here, magtitiis muna. Kasi, ayun nga, diba, we are the type of person who love accepting visitors sa bahay namin. And I feel like kapag madaming tao sa bahay namin, parang nasisikipan ako. Pero when we're just together, like kapag kami dalawa lang, sobrang luwag naman. But yeah, ayun lang. For this vlog, you can just watch what happened in my week today. Let's go.
Wow, ganda mo, girl. Wow, for the trench coat of everybody. Ay, pleasure.
Today, guys, is January the 8th. Christmas is over. So, liligpitin na natin ating Christmas tree. Let's go. Share ko lang. First time ko lang magkaroon ng Christmas tree sa bahay. So, nung nag-move out ako, bumili na ako talaga. Kahit hindi pa siya masyadong bongga. But at least, you know, we've experienced. Bye! It's totally plain. Wala nang mga design, guys. Yes, so ang goal natin next is ang maligpit na siya. Let's go! Ito. Pumuto kayo na dyan. Ito talaga, pang nagpapanggap. Paano ba siya kinabit? Oh, okay. One down. Paano ba siya kinabit? Okay. Guys, ang problema ko ngayon, paano siya matitiklop? Baka itapon ko. Baka itapon ko na lang to. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko siya titiklopin. Oh my gosh. Parang hindi tayo hindi natin ma-achieve ang pagtanggal ng Christmas tree. Today, I guess yung design lang. Kasi I don't know paano ko siya tatanggalin. Like, hindi siya magkakasya. Guys, kakabit ko muna siya ulit. Pagdating na lang ni Emma. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko siya titiklopin. So baka itapon ko siya. Well, yeah, at least may nagawa tayo, natanggal na natin siya. Antayin na lang natin si Eman. Mamaya pa. Well guys, I guess this type of Christmas tree, kasi hindi siya yung usual, diba guys? Kasi mura lang siya. So, well, I guess this type of Christmas tree is basura na. Disposable. Hindi ko na siya mabalik sa box. Like, hindi na siya natitiklop. Unlike yung mga pwedeng ibalik ulit. But yeah, I'm still thankful for you. Still thankful for you dahil na-experience ko ang first Christmas tree ko for my 26 years of living. Let's go!
Buwan ako kapit na tropa. Napakabait ko.
Kwento mo yan. Halin ko? Halin ko?
7 p.m. My shift will start at 9 p.m. Since we're at home on, nag-set up na ako ng mas maaga. So, mag-upload na lang ako ng mga post na.
Christmas Eve something really happening in this spot. So ngayon, we're running our annual Christmas dance, but this year, simple lang, TikTok style kasi we didn't have time to like rehearse and all that. So let's go.